Bitcoin money generally is a mid-position digital money at present estimated at $279.74 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $5,440,380,490 win, which explicitly is very critical. Over the exact past especially couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, Forex at this fundamentally specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $279.74, where it right now sits, which basically is genuinely critical. As currently referenced, BCH truly is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 16th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the kind of metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the truly current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they essentially thought. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization in every practical sense remains at $5,440,380,490 win. The significance of this boundary will all things considered, but especially made sense of later amazingly. Our cost forecast calculation certainly is planned in such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily really evaluate the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it for the most part needs to be reconfigured, which especially is very huge. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which generally is genuinely irreplaceable for the truly right assessment of both genuinely current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its truly present and future heading, which truly is very critical. Beneath you will in every practical sense find key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market truly is going in a significant manner. Yesterday, on July 12, BCH certainly was esteemed at $274.07 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Or so they certainly thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period in a real sense, added up to 0.54% in an essentially large manner. 7 days prior, on July 6, Bitcoin money truly was exchanged at $271.60 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its truly present position, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. On June 13, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $102.72, the cost level that in a real sense is at the distance of 172.34% from where it at present in a real sense stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX fundamentally are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which certainly is very huge. Market capitalization is another significant genuinely metric that in a real sense assists traders with especially deciding the fame of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities incredibly. It's likewise used to for the most part evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money basically holds inside the whole digital currency market in an unobtrusive manner. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to essentially is duplicated by its fundamentally current cost in a significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH explicitly remains at $5,440,380,490 when enough to name it the 16th practically the biggest coin on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on July 12, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money explicitly remained at $5,329,545,472, or so the really thought. 7 days prior, on July 6, the capitalization of BCH really was $5,280,00038 in an especially significant manner. A month prior, on June 13, how much capital streaming around this sort of specific market really added up to $1,994,584,794. Most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific cryptographic money and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which in a real sense are the sort of normal event on this profoundly unstable market in a significant manner. It's kind of obvious that the sort of previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to especially characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering. So our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in commonly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio, and certainly conclude whether it needs to, in every practical sense, be reconfigured. Since we for the most part have proactively referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization, it would especially be proper to really dedicate a piece of this report to the stock of BCH, which essentially shows that as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH in a real sense remains at $5,443.8490 when enough to name it the 16th practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which certainly is genuinely critical. For especially your data, there generally are three kinds of supply for practically every cryptographic money. The fundamentally greatest stockpile, which basically implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a really specific blockchain all through its presence. The extremely all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the undertaking. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use in, for the most part, different words that basically are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The greatest inventory of Bitcoin money basically is 21,000,000 BCH. The by and large all-out supply of BCH right now fundamentally remains at 19,447,850 coins, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey really is 19,447,850 BCH in a sort of huge manner. This Bitcoin money cost forecast wouldn't in a real sense be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by basically all digital currency dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in a truly significant manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain especially is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there is a kind of high likelihood that this move essentially is unreasonable and would generally bring about a bullish snare in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, it's critical to basically break down the past and the ongoing exchanging volume of BCH requests to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, exhibiting that it's evident that the very previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to really characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering. So our cost expectation calculation generally is planned so that it ceaselessly